All right, hello. Welcome back to another video on this channel. Firstly, again, thank you so much for all the love that I'm getting. Really appreciate all of your support. I know a lot of people who watch all my videos might be too tired to listen to this phrase, but if you are one of those, comment down below um, with like heart, just a heart. I really appreciate that. Another thing, a lot of you haven't subscribed till now. Each and every subscribe goes a long way. So it'll be great if you can hit the subscribe button. It really motivates me to create more videos. But this video will be short, simple, and a simple message of mine to all international students who are coming, who have either come, who are already here. Just short, simple video. See, a lot of times what happens is that a lot of us come here with a lot of responsibility and a lot of liability. Liability when it comes to money, loans, money in the bank, cash that we bring with us, and how we've gotten that money and those finances. Some of us may have taken a loan from the bank. Some of us may have taken a loan from our family, friends. Some of our parents might not even have the funds to fund all of our studies. So it's only it can it I've seen that a lot of people have the case that they only have, or their parents only have the money to support their children till for the first semester. After that, students are expected to support themselves by earning money here and paying their own fees. So that's a huge financial burden for all of us. For someone like myself, um, I came here in a very different Australia. I came here during right after COVID, so we were allowed to work full time. At one point of time, I had 6 to 7 jobs, so I was earning pretty well, but that also means that I was probably like working for like 60, 50, 60 hours every week. I was slogging my ass. So I was able to support myself. But see, again, I didn't have any financial burden. My parents were really open with me in terms of don't work so hard. Don't, slog yourself. Whenever you want money, just ask. But see, for a lot of us, it's just that we become too proud to ask for money after we've spent X amount of time in Australia. And there might be other reasons for people as well. They might want to prove themselves to their parents, or even to themselves, or even to their friends. So I'm just here to tell you that I understand, but this video is stemming on to people working in cash, people working more hours than they're supposed to. Let me tell you one thing. Australia is becoming really difficult as a country. With everything that is happening in the US, it has a trickle down effect to on Australia as well, right? We've seen news of a lot of people from India, people who are Indians being deported from US. I just keep playing here. Um, so yeah, I mean, flights full of 100 Indians being deported from US. I wouldn't say a similar thing is happening to Australia, but whatever happens in Australia happens, behind the news. You won't hear a lot of things. But what I'll do is I'll link down some articles that have covered how student visa deportations um, have been increasing on a monthly basis, how the government is proactively checking how much students are working, how much students are earning, whether they're able to, you know, whether they are working 48 hours a fortnight, or whether they're earning more. If they have more money in the account, how is that? Are they working on cash? In Adelaide only, there's a very big restaurant. I won't take the name, but there was a raid there recently where the owner was charged a fine of 45 to $50,000, and 6 to 7 people who were working there as waiters, as cooks, as chefs, etc. They were deported because they were working on cash, or they were students who were working more hours than they were supposed to. So that's what I'm saying. See, you might, get by. You might not tell a lot of people, and you might get by working in a cash in hand job because you have to fund yourself and your studies and everything. But see, why take the risk? What is the opportunity cost, right? The opportunity cost is your whole life, I would say, because once you're deported from a country, you have to disclose that every time you apply for a visa anywhere, be that Dubai, be that South Africa, be that UK, be that USA, wherever you want to go, there'll be a black mark on your profile. And that, you can't get by with that. So my honest advice would be to not do any cash in hand jobs. It's just a 2 year, it's just a 3 year course. Just do your 48 hours a fortnight. When you're allowed to work full time, that is in between sessions, go all out. Work as much as you can, slog yourself. I'm telling you to slog yourself because that's the time you earn the maximum amount of money. But during sessions, please only work 48 hours a fortnight. Don't go over that. Don't work cash in hand. It's just, why are you taking the risk, man? Why are you taking the risk? I know some people will have the thought that, oh, you don't know how my financial situation is. I get it. I don't know how everybody's financial situation is like, but look at the opportunity cost, compare it with, what you might be letting go of. That was it for the video. I just wanted to say that out loud to everyone in my community so that I'm looking after my own community. If you have any questions, reach out here. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It really, really goes a long way. If you want me to create a video on a particular topic, please let me know in the comments or reach out to me either or. I'll see you in the next one.